Are you missing the app lock feature in your Android Messenger app? It can be frustrating when this privacy option disappears, especially if you rely on it for added security. But don't worry, I've got some simple fixes to help you restore the app lock feature and get your privacy settings back on track. Let's dive into these solutions. Solution 1. Update Messenger. Ensure your Messenger app is up to date. An outdated version may not have the latest features. For this, open the Play Store. Switch to the search panel. Now search for Messenger. If there are any updates available, click on it. The latest Messenger version should get your app lock back. Go back to your Messenger app to check. If it's still not available, move to the next solution. Solution 2. Clear Messenger data and allow permissions. If Messenger data is corrupted, you might not find the lock option. To fix this, go to your settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll down again and find Messenger. Click on it and look for Storage. Now click on Clear Data. This will reset all your Messenger data, but will fix any glitches. But to make sure, go back, scroll up, and select Permissions. Give Messenger app all the permissions listed here. After that, go back to your Messenger app. Since all your data is removed, you will need to log in again. Log in and go to Messenger settings. Hopefully this time the app lock option will be back. But if none of these solutions work and you suspect a deeper issue, you can perform a factory reset to fix it. A reset usually solves most app-related problems. But be aware that this will erase all your data, so if you don't want to do that, avoid following this method. Now, before doing this, make sure to back up your data somewhere. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Now tap on Resets. Here you will find the option Factory Data Resets. Clicking this will reset everything on your iPhone and fix any issues permanently. So, these are the solutions that can help you resolve the app lock missing issue on your Messenger app. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe for more Android app solutions. But if you're still facing problems, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you next time.